students, how are you? Okay, we have studied about the revolution of October 1917 of chapter 2, Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. Today's topic is outcome of the October Revolution. Outcome of the October Revolution means अक्टूबर रेवोल्यूशन का परिणाम क्या हुआ, इन सब के विषय में आज हम लोग देखेंगे। स्टूडेंट्स, यू नो दैट लेनिन वाज अप्रीहेंसिव ऑफ imposition of dictatorship by the provisional government. That is why an uprising began on 24 October 1917. Prime Minister Kerensky had sensed trouble and hence left the city to summon troops. In this way, due to the apprehensive imposition of dictatorship of provisional government, the revolution of October had taken place. In this topic, we shall study about what were the outcomes of the October Revolution. First, most of the industry and banks were nationalized in November 1917. The government took over ownership and management. अक्टूबर रेवोल्यूशन के परिणाम स्वरूप अधिकतर उद्योगों को, बैंकों का राष्ट्रीयकरण किया गया 1917 नवंबर में, और सरकार ने सबका ओनरशिप और मैनेजमेंट ले लिया। नेक्स्ट, लैंड वाज डिक्लेयर्ड सोशल प्रॉपर्टी. Peasants were allowed to seize the land of the nobility. You know that at the time of John Nicholas II and before him, there was aristocratic rule in Russia. Means whole land divided into nobility, and peasants have no right as a owner of land. Due to this reason, the government declared after the October Revolution land as social property, and peasants were allowed to seize the land of nobility. और पीजेंट को यह अधिकार मिल गया कि अब जो जमीन जोत रहे थे वो उसके वो मालिक हो गए। नोबिलिटी का कोई मतलब नहीं रहा। इन सिटीज लार्ज हाउसेज वर पार्टीशन्ड एज पर फैमिली रिक्वायरमेंट्स. इन सिटीज हियर देयर big houses and bungalows, they were partitioned, means divided into different parts as per family requirements. Old title of aristocracy were banned. जैसे पुरानी टाइटल थी एरिस्टोक्रेसी की, नोबल थे, सामंत थे, इन सबको हटा दिया गया। A clothing competition was held in 1918 to design new uniform. Uniform means dress for army and government officials. The Bolshevik Party was renamed the Russian Communist Party. After the October Revolution, Bolshevik Party renamed as Russian Communist Party. Election for the Constituent Assembly were held in November 1917. The Bolsheviks failed to get majority after this election. वैसे नवंबर 1917 में कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली का इलेक्शन हुआ, लेकिन बोल्शेविक मीन्स कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी को मेजॉरिटी नहीं मिल सकी. द असेंबली रिजेक्टेड बोल्शेविक मेजर्स एंड लेनिन डिसमिस्ड द असेंबली इन जनवरी 1918. असेंबली ने मीन्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली में जब रिजेक्शन हो गया कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी का, बोल्शेविक का, उनको बहुमत नहीं मिला, तो इससे लेनिन ने क्या किया कि असेंबली को डिसॉल्व कर दिया. लेनिन थॉट दैट द ऑल रशियन कांग्रेस ऑफ सोवियत was more democratic than the assembly because the assembly was elected under uncertain conditions. Russian Congress of Soviet, it was the name of Russian parliament, and Lenin thought that assembly is less democratic than Russian Congress of Soviet because the election जो हुआ असेंबली का वह अनसर्टेन कंडीशन में हुआ. In March 1918, the Bolsheviks made peace with Germany at Brest-Litovsk. In spite of opposition by their political allies. In subsequent years, the Bolsheviks became the only party to participate in the election to the All Russian Congress of Soviet. All Russian Congress of Soviet means at that time the Parliament of Russia. Next years, Bolsheviks became the only party to participate in the election. Means only Communist Party participate in the election. The All Russian Congress of Soviet became the parliament of the country. The All Russian Congress of Soviet became the parliament of the country. In next years, means in subsequent years, the Bolshevik means Russian Communist Party became the only party to participate in the election of the Russian Parliament, Russian Congress of Soviet. In this way, Russia became a one-party state. You know that after the March 1918, in subsequent years, only Communist Party became the only party to participate in the election. In this way, Russia became a one-party state. अगले वर्षों में केवल कम्युनिस्ट रशियन कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी भी चुनाव में भाग लेती थी। इस तरह से रशिया जो है एक पार्टी का राज्य हो गया। ट्रेड यूनियंस वर केप्ट अंडर पार्टी कंट्रोल। ट्रेड यूनियंस वर केप्ट अंडर पार्टी कंट्रोल। और जो ट्रेड यूनियन थे, व्यापारिक संघ थे, व्यवसायिक संघ थे, यह सब कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी के कंट्रोल में हो गया था। Trade unions were kept under party control. The secret police punished those who criticized the Bolsheviks. जो उनकी अपनी एक गोपनीय पुलिस थी, खुफिया पुलिस जो थी, जब वह देखता था कि बोल्शेविक मीन्स कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी की कहीं आलोचना हो रही है, जो लोग उसको क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं, उनको पनिशमेंट देती थी। मेनी राइटर्स एंड आर्टिस्ट हु हैड अर्लियर rallied behind the party felt disillusioned because of censorship being imposed by the Bolsheviks. Censorship being imposed by the Bolsheviks means censorship being imposed by Russian Communist Party. Censorship being imposed by the Russian party. Many writers, artists who were earlier rallied behind the party. ऐसे लोग जो लोग कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी के पीछे, जैसे राइटर्स, लेखक थे, कलाकार थे, रैली करते थे, वो लोग असहजता महसूस किए, क्योंकि कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी के द्वारा जो सेंसरशिप लगाया गया था, इससे वह लोग काफी परेशान थे। इन दिस वे वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट आउटकम ऑफ द अक्टूबर रेवोल्यूशन, मीन्स व्हाट वाज द result of the revolution of October 1917. We have completed this topic. In this way, your class is over. Thank you.